It's again going to happen using in paint. So we go to in paint and out paint. We drop an image here. So let me see. Let me put this image, or let's see. Oh, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So first we will go to background, remove background. Okay, and we'll take one image and we will remove the background. That's always a good practice to do, as we had already discussed about it. So once remove background is done, we'll drag the garment to in paint out paint. We don't need this one, we need the one without the background. It's taking way too long. So I will just try it without changing the background. I'll just take a regular one. Maybe this kind of does not have a background. Okay, so yeah, here what we are going to do is we are going to like paint on top of it. Okay, why am I painting on top of it? Because I'm trying to get a tiara. Okay, let's do that. So here we will be modifying content, add and objects and all of that, and then I will say tiara on the head of the model. I'll type it here also, and I'll go to generation and I will generate. We will see what comes. It will take a while, and once it happens you'll be able to see there's some accessories coming. So this is a very simple and an effective way to add accessories to the model. That's
Okay.
the whole chapter. So we'll wait for it to do it,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
it to come, and then that's the end of all our AI chapters.
AI. Okay. So next is like full portfolio from tomorrow, right?
From Monday onwards, we'll be doing portfolio. Tomorrow there is a project.
Okay. So is the anyway I missed last Friday's project. Is I can start doing with this, no? The collage I can start doing.
Yes, yes, absolutely. You can
Mm.
start doing with the collage. Finish the previous project also, and what I'll be giving tomorrow as well. That is also a part
Mm.
of all of this. I'll not make it very complicated tomorrow. It's just that we will have to finish the previous one, and tomorrow also we'll try to do all of this in tomorrow's 3 hours. Let's see.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, it's happening very slowly. This is the first generation after I
Okay.
launched.
August 11th, my close getting over. Is that fine?
11th. You try and make the garments before that.
When
And
is August 11th coming? Which day? Today is 7th, no?
today is 7th, yeah.
8th, 9th, oh, Monday. Then I'll sit in. No, no, I'll take one more time. No problem. I'll
Yeah,
take
yeah,
one.
you can do that
That's
one.
fine.
See, the tiara is coming on top of the
I
head.
don't want to take a chance. Oh, yeah.
So this is like how you can add neck pieces also, and whatever that you want to add as an accessory, you can work with it. It's pretty awesome. Once it happens and it shows to us, it becomes
Yes.
really amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. See, so this was the first model, and then now we have a tiara on top of it. And now we can work on whatever we want to work, do with the jewelry, etc., neck piece, and all that. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple. Understood?